Watch ads and get paid. Make money online. Do you want to observe advertisements for cash? Are you truly curious about getting paid to watch ads only? At that point, you're at the correct place since we collected 10 plus best apps and locals to assist you in forming a few additional cash by observing and clicking video advertisements. Don't stress about receiving spam messages since we have collected the initial websites and applications that can assist you to win genuine cash fare by observing advertisements and completing a few curiously online studies on your device. These apps have a few great highlights other than fair observing advertisements. You'll be able to play diversions, learn maths, solve astounds, and do numerous other things as well. In addition, studies will assist you in picking up more knowledge. In this list, you may get to see a few well-known apps as well as a few unique and uncommon apps to win cash. Number 10. Math Cash. If you're great at maths and fathoming a straightforward math problem at that point, you'll effectively gain cash from this app. What you've got to do is just unravel math questions and collect focuses in your account. There are distinctive strategies you'll utilize to win more money like dual mode, figure and win, overview errands, and observing advertisements. The app is entirely free to play and you'll be able to recover your focus once you reach the lowest cash out limit. In addition, by alluding to your friends, you may gain more cash. So what are you holding up for? Fair, introduce this app and send a welcome interface to your friend. This app features exceptionally excellent interface and one can effectively get it. The app has more than 1 million leads and it has collected a significant sum of audits and ratings. So these are a few of the finest apps and destinations which you'll be able to observe advertisements for money. By clicking on ads, you may win more cash. In expansion, you'll play diversions, complete different tasks, fill input shapes, win focuses, gain rewards to earn money here. So attempt to do the work from home and win cash. If you got so much free time and you need to create it beneficial at that point, you'll allow an attempt to any of these assets to make a few additional bucks. However, these strategies can assist you in forming a few additional dollars, but it isn't easy to create a living this way. On the off chance that you genuinely need to include cash online, you ought to unquestionably attempt blogging, which is the foremost solid strategy to win inactive pay online. Number 9. Inbox Dollars. This advertisement inquiries about board offers a speedy and simple way to win cash by observing video ads. Inbox Dollars highlights recordings and TV substances you'll keep on your computer or smartphone. These video ads are overhauled each day, and you'll observe up to 30 recordings in a single day. The advertisements cover news, celebrity chatter, amusement, nourishment, innovation, and health. How to urge payment. Most recordings pay anywhere from 5 to 25 cents each, even though you'll be able to gain up to $25 in a few cases. Inbox Dollars pays you cash by check or PayPal. Otherwise, you can recover electronic blessing cards. Amazon, Target, and Walmart. Installments are formed each Wednesday. Minimum payout edge is $30. Number 8. Big Token Cash App. The Big Token Cash App will assist you in gaining cash by completing a few surveys within the app. In addition, you'll earn some money by observing advertisements within the app itself. What you've got to do is pretty filter your receipts and gain money. There are a few modern strategies to recover your focus into cash. First, you'll send your money straightforwardly to your PayPal as well as to your Xbox account. You can gain cash from taking after strategies here. Earn money once you check your locations. Complete study and gain money. Link your social media accounts and get focused to redeem. Refer the app to your companions and gain more money. Watch advertisements and include a few more focus to your account. Big Token Cash App has more than 100k introductions on Google Play Store till today, and this app has gotten 3.4 star appraisals that are not an awful thing. 3.4 is a very excellent rating. Number 7. Sweatcoin. What can be less demanding than anything for you to win cash, whereas fair strolling? Looks peculiar, right? Yes, you'll gain some money by strolling with this app. Just walk and earn some cash. You'll add more focus and cash to your account by seeing a few advertisements within the app. Then, after clicking on a few promotions, you'll get some money after a brief interim of time. There could be capture in this app. This app is in early release, so at whatever point its beta will be closed at that point, you'll be able to install this app. Otherwise, you can attempt its beta phase. Sweatcoin has more than 10 million leads in a 4.5-star evaluation on Google Play Store. This app works on a pedometer to check the strides you have completed in a day. Number 6. Wow App. Wow App could be a free app on Google Play Store, and you'll be able to win a cash fare by observing videos. You can also earn more by completing the overview and other strategies that are accessible within the app. Once you have gotten sufficient cash to recover from your Wow App account, at that point, it's entirely dependent on you whether you need this cash into your account or else you need to give this cash to a charity running on the app itself. You can win cash by performing different strategies within the app. You can gain some money whilst chatting together with your companions within the app. Unlock your phone by sliding the open button on the bulk screen and include more cash to your account. You can shop on this app and gain more cashback and blessing rewards. Refer this app to your friends, watch advertisements, and get more money. Wow App has more than 1 million downloads on the Google Play Store, and coming to audits and evaluations, it has scored 3.9 stars out of 5 stars. Number 5. Ibotta. Shop your day-to-day needs from Ibotta and gain cashback on each buy from this app. There are so numerous things that we want to buy on a day-to-day basis. It implies you'll be able to earn cashback daily. Later, you wish to observe a basic advertisement to recover your cash. There are so many well-known brands related to Ibotta like Walmart, Target, Domino's Pizza, Booking.com, etc. Just browse your things within the app, buy them, upload your receipt into the app, and after observing a video advertisement of approximately 30 seconds, get cashback. So, by introducing the app, you'll be able to gain a maximum of $20. Number 4. MyPoints. MyPoints has been there since 1996, and it is worked by the Showcase investigation company that runs Swagbucks. In addition to observing advertisements, individuals gain focus when they total overviews, take surveys, play diversions, peruse emails, looks at the internet, and allude to a friend. To win the allocated points, you must watch a whole playlist. How to urge paid. You recover your focus for blessing cards, travel miles, or PayPal cash. Minimum payout limit begins at $5, identical to 700 obsessions. Number 3. AdWallet. If you're searching for a website or stage where you gain cash by observing some video advertisements at that point, check out this great site called AdWallet. Make an account on the site by just clicking on the sign up button within the upper right corner and begin gaining cash from now. You can win up to $3 by observing as if there were one video ad. In addition, you'll get an extra $1 once you allude to any of your friends and they begin utilizing this app. When you total $10 in your account at that point, you'll be able to take out the cash from the app to your bank account or PayPal account. In addition, you'll be able to utilize these focuses to urge blessing cards related to Amazon and other e-commerce websites that are accessible on the list. Number 2. SlideJoy. Keep sliding right, left, or up to gain cash. Sounds simple, right? Yes, it is straightforward. Install the SlideJoy app from Google Play Store or you will get it on their official site. After introducing the app, you've got to lock your mobile screen, and after that, you may be able to see a few advertisements within the connected picture above. So what you've got to do is a fair swipe cleared out, right or up, agreeing to your choice, and focus will be included in your SlideJoy account. You may be having different advertisement choices depending on your interest. This app has been included on different well-known websites like TechCrunch, CNET, CNBC, and other trusted publishers. And at number 1, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the foremost well-known rewards location for getting paid to observe video ads. After marking up, visit the video playlist on your account to win SB points. In addition to advertisements, Swagbucks 2 pays you for play diversions. Look the net and shop online at more than 1,500 retailers. How to urge pay. Recover your Swagbucks focuses for more than 100 blessing cards or trade your focuses for each card utilizing PayPal. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. See you on the next video and stay tuned and subscribe for more.